Use this watermelon rind to make my pickles, and I will need to peel this skin off, and use this tender zucchini, little baby zucchinis, try to make my pickles also. There's green tomatoes to make my pickles. Last time I made it, I really like it, so I'll make it again. I need to take this part away. So this time I don't need to make any spice anything, so I just use the original. This one I use a peeled radish, white radish. You can see one piece here. This liquid made of fresh ginger, fresh garlic, and the white vinegar. I just put the peeled white radish there. There's another one jars. This one's I made a sliced white radish, and yeah, that's a sliced white radish. And this one is this one also made with carrots, so I eat all of them. So right now I can use it again. It's this third time I made this stuff, because every time I made different recipe. But this time I still make the second time make this the green tomatoes. I really like it. I'll make this again. This is also new. Now I'll put all on this one. And add a white vinegar. Yeah, it's already full, so I'll just cover it. The refrigerator. And I'll cut it this way to the pickle. And cut out another half this way. Then I will put it to my pickle jar here. And add more vinegar, white vinegar here. I'll be ready to put in my refrigerator. And you cut on the middle, it's too long to put in my jar. I'll put it in my jar. Here, just feather as well. So I will put fill the white vinegar to full. So I already finished my watermelon rind pickles here, and mini zucchini pickles here also, and there's another green tomatoes.